Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. Today in this video I'm going to show you that how we are going to use command prompt to copy files from a source to destination. And also we're going to file the specific extensions from one folder to another folder. And also we're going to copy the whole data and the subfolders inside one folder to another one. So here I have two folders on my desktop, data1 and data2. So here I need to click on the start menu, and here I need to find this cmd and run this as administrator. So here if I want to copy data from one folder to another folder, so simply I'm going to type this copy, and after that you have to type this source and destination. So here I'm going to click at this let me go to this data1. So here I'm going to copy the path, so I'm going to just paste it here. So you can paste the source, and after that you have to paste the destination. So destination is going to be the same place, which is this desktop. So I'm going to type this data2. So when I'm going to hit enter, so it's going to copy all these files from this data1 to data2. So now if I'm going to click on the data2, as you can see, it's going to show me all this data from this data which we made copy by using the cmd. But still, as you can see, some files here, some folders doesn't show up here. So let me show you how it's going to work. So let me just type this cd, which is going to help us to change directory. So we're going to put double dot so we can go back one to this Windows folder. So let me just go back once again. So here let me type dir. So here I'm going to change directory to users, and also we're going to change directory to my user. So let me see which user is here. So we're going to type dir. So as you can see, we have this Firdaus. So we're going to type this Firdaus. So now I'm going to change directory to desktop. So now we are inside this desktop. So we want to copy only one extension or only one file with only one extension. So we are going to type this copy command, and here I'm going to type this data1 slash sahel.txt, and we're going to type the destination, which is data2. So now I'm going to hit enter. So here, as you can see, why we cannot make a copy. So let me just bring here. So as you can see here, we have to type this let me just go with copy data backslash sahel.txt to data2. So let me just press the one here as well. So as you can see, this file is available on the destination. So it's going to ask me, you want to overwrite? So I'm going to just put this all. It's going to overwrite the all. If I'm going to put yes, so it's going to overwrite only this one. So I'm going to press yes. As you can see, one file is copied. So here, if I want to copy only one extension, so I'm going to click at this data2, and I'm going to delete all these files. So only I want to copy the .txt extension. So how we are going to do that? So we're going to type this copy, and here I'm going to type this data1 backslash, and here we are going to put this asterisk, and here I'm going to type this .txt. So I'm going to type the destination folder is going to be this data2. So I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, only .txt is copied. So let me show you that I'm going to change directory to this data2. So I'm going to type dir. So as you can see, only .txt is going to show me here. Let me just go back, and this time we are going to copy this data1 backslash, and we're going to put this asterisk symbol dot, we are going to put this png, and we're going to copy it on data 2. So we're going to hit enter. So as you can see, only .png is going to show. Let me show you. I'm going to change directory to this data 2. So let me just type dir. So as you can see, this png is available. So this technique or this command can really help you a lot to copy a specific extension from one folder to another folder. If you have a lot of data in a folder, you want to copy that from a source to destination, so this is the best technique that you can copy. So now if I want to copy everything from this folder, not only this extension with .txt, but here I have some folders as well. So let me show you that here. If I'm going to change directory to data 1, so I'm going to type this dir. As you can see, here we have some folders as well. So to copy this these folders from this data 1 to data 2, we are going to use this xcopy. But before we are going to do that, let me show you with xcopy. If I'm going to type this /, and here I'm going to put this question mark. So as you can see, it's going to show me all these commands with this xcopy, which I can use, which is extended copy, means that you can do much more with this command. Like as you can see, it's going to show me with this command you can use the source, destination. If you put this /a, it means that you copies only files with the archive attribute set. And if you put this /m, it means you want to copy only files with the archive attribute set. And also, as you can see, you can copy files, change or after the specified date if no date is given. Copies only those files whose source time is newer than the destination time. So as you can see here, you can exclude as well. So let me show you that with this xcopy command, you can go with this /p, which is prompt you before creating each destination file, or you can go with this /s, which copies directories and subdirectories except empty ones. And also you can go with this e, which copies directories and subdirectories including empty ones. So as you can see here, we have this /v, which you can use to verify the size of each new file as well. And also you can just use this /w, so you can prompt you to press a key before copying. And you can use this /c, which continues copying even if errors occurs. So as you can see here, with /i, if destination does not exist, so you can use this q. And you can see the description here. You can see this f mean displays full source and destination files. So here, if you want to copy the hidden and system files, also you can use this /h. With this /art, you can use this overrides read-only files. With this /t, you can use to create directory structure, but does not copy files, does not include empty directories or subdirectories. So here what we are going to do for this file, you can just press this and you can see we have more commands like x. You can just copy file, edit setting, or you can just go with this /z. So this x copy is really extended copy features that's going to allow you to do a lot of things while you want to copy something from one directory to another. So here I'm going to use this x copy. So for that, we're going to use this e. And also we're going to type this data 1. So we're going to type data 2. So here I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, it's going to show me that you want to repress all. So I'm going to press yes all. So now I'm going to click at this data 2. And here, as you can see, all these subfolders, which is empty, is also copied from the destination, which is data 1. So here, as you can see, we used many commands. We use this command. Let me use arrow keys to bring that. We use this command to go with a specific extension. We use this copy that we can use to copy for one extension for only one file. If we want to copy only this sahel.txt from source to destination. And also now we know about the Xcopy that we can use to do a lot of thing with this command prompt using the extended copy feature inside CMD. So hope you guys enjoy this video and hope it really help you to copy your files. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys until next video.